Okay, guys, we are back again here on our Bybit, and all we want to discuss today is how to get your gas fee for any airdrop at all you want to do. All right, being it Hamster Kombat, being it Avacoin, being it memeFi, and the likes. So once you can get your gas fee once and for all, then everything is sorted. All right. So what you need to do is when you're on Bybit here, because I prefer using Bybit to other exchanges. Now come down and click on your assets. All right, now on your assets, this is what I have on my assets here at the moment. All right, so for you to have anything on your assets, you need to buy either USDT or Ethereum to your Bybit account. All right, so that one is a different tutorial I've done already. So you need the knowledge of P2P on Bybit, so you can check the video in the comment section for all the P2P for beginners. All right, so once you've gotten your USDT in your account, I need to convert it to ton, because ton is what you're going to use as your gas fee. Then you're going to click on convert. All right, once you click on convert, you're going to see here it is on, here is BTC and here is USDT, but we want to convert from USDT to ton. All right, so click on BTC here, then you're going to click on USDT too. All right, the first one there. Now from USDT to, now click on BTC down here again, then you can search for ton. Let's search for ton now, ton coin. All right, so click on ton. Now this is what we want to do. Now click on the amount you want to convert. All right, so you can just click on maximum or just enter the amount you want to convert. Let me just try and convert to 2 USDT to ton now. So 2 USDT will give me 0.29 ton. Now you can click on quotes. So confirm conversion. All right, so from 2 USDT to ton, and the fee is 0, so there's no fee on it. After the countdown, then you can now click on confirm. Then let's wait for it to just load. Now conversion completed. So you're going to click on withdraw and click on ton. All right, so you are going to enter your wallet address. So I'll go to my ton keeper. Now on my ton keeper, I need to click on receive. All right, then copy my wallet address. Then we can go back to our Bybit again. Now once you are back on your Bybit, then input the wallet address here, paste it there. All right, so select the network, which is ton. All right, please make sure if a destination tag memo is required. All right, so it's not required from ton keeper. Then the minimum withdraw is 0.2. Okay, so let's withdraw maximum. Click on maximum. All right, so now I want to convert everything. So after entering the information, enter the wallet address. If there's memo or tag, you enter it. Well, there's no it on ton keeper. Then I click on withdraw now. So click on confirm. Now you need to enter your password and your Google Authenticator. All right. So the Google Authenticator is a code that is going to be sent to you. So if you register on Bybit already, you should know about that. So let's go to our Google Authenticator now and get the code. Now I've gotten the code from my Google Authenticator. I just have to enter it now. Then click on confirm. Make sure the time doesn't count down. because if it's countdown, it's going to expire. All right, so withdrawal application submitted. Now click on OK. So we can now go to our turn keeper now to check. All right, so my turn keeper wallet has been updated, and you can see from here you have your available gas fee. The same way, if you are using Telegram wallet, you send to your Telegram wallet or any other wallet you are using, and you can be able to use to claim your airdrop, being whatever airdrop it is. So this is basically how it works today. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching.